All right, sticking with the Cyberpunk stuff because it's all Cyberpunk right now. Waited a long time for this thing. Got to cover every end of the spectrum here. All ends of the spectrum. Cyberpunk devs are now warning streamers of all music. They're just saying, turn off all the music if you're going to stream this game because there's been a number of DMCA strikes. Now, there's a feature in the game, Will, to turn off copyrighted content. So this is actually a bug because these individuals that are having this copyright had that turned off. And still, this bug let a particular song play at a particular segment. It did not trigger it off when it should have been off. You understand what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So they had to escalate the recommendation to not just enable to not just disable copyrighted music, but to disable music completely if you plan on streaming it. Now, they don't plan on leaving it there. They say, look, we're working on it. We'll get it sorted out. If you're wondering, there's a specific in-game sequence, and it's called Brain Dance. I don't know. I'm not there yet. It's some sort of a memory that you're going through in the game. There's a couple different sequences like this, and this bug prevents the song that plays during that sequence from being toggled off. So it plays, and then you're dead, and then DMCA, and then takes forever to come off your account if you're on YouTube, Twitch, whatever it happens to be. So be careful with that. That's a little warning for the streamers out there, even the casual streamers out there who booted up an account. It's a bad way to kick off your streaming career with a DMCA takedown. So no music for the meantime. That's unfortunate.